Yes, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to set up Codex with Ollama. So if I go into this command prompt, now let's use the CLS command. Now if I write there Ollama minus minus version, so there you can get the version of Ollama. So Ollama that already installed. Now if I write there Ollama, then you can see this model open Cloudy. And if I go into this more, so launch Codex not installed. So Codex is not installed, so then I'm going to do the setup of Codex. And here first we need to do the installation. So in my system, Node.js and npm must be installed there. So if I write there node minus v, then you can see node version 24 that install and npm minus v. So npm this already is there. Now let's install their Codex. So writing there npm I for install minus g, then @open ai backslash then Codex. This command you need to use this. So this here with the help of this npm, this Codex is now currently installing there on inside the Windows operating system. So this is not installed, so you should install. This is the link is there. Here we need to get their Codex CLI. So two packages that's added in 11 second. Write their Codex minus minus version. Then you can get there. So there you can get Codex CLI that install 1.2.0. Thereafter let's here opening the Ollama again. So writing there Ollama, then this times you can get their launch Codex. So this time there is no any install option is there. Previously you can see this is the install. Now this time there is not. So let's click on this launch Codex. Then you can select here Gma for Kimi, this one. Let's do here Gma because Gma is already in my system. Let's press first option enter. Now this is coming there. Here you can see Gma 4 and medium. This come there. Thereafter ask any query there. Okay. Hello, how can I help you today? Thereafter you can ask any coding related question there. Okay. So this is how we can do the setup of Codex with Ollama. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.